Hello, passionate gardener. Today we are going to harvest blueberries. Actually, not me. My little one is going to harvest, and you see he already started harvesting. He does that many times. Like he came and pick up few and dip into water and have and enjoy the fruit. So growing blueberry is one of the easiest one as well. Initially I thought it's going to be tough because I failed once. I was a bit afraid, but when I learned some trick, and it's very easy, and anyone can grow blueberries if you know few simple tips which I'm going to share now. So first of all, the soil of blueberries has to be a little bit different one, so that it's not the normal compost soil because they love the acidic soil. Next, the water. Water is the key factor because if you use the tap water, which is more not acidic one, like the pH is more, but as blueberry is acid loving plant, if you use the rainwater, which is less than 6 pH, for rain mostly 5 to 5.5 and sometimes 6. So if you use the rainwater, it's good for blueberry, and it's unlikely that's going to be hamper the plant. So that's another key factor. And the fertilizer, that you cannot use the general fertilizer. You have a special kind of fertilizer for acidic plant, which is mainly for hydrangea or blueberry kind of plant. Use that. The one I use is sulfate of iron. If you use these things and use the simple trick, you can easily grow blueberries like mine. You can see a lot of blueberries, and you see little one started having fun. Pick up the blueberries which is ready, dip into the water, and and just enjoy that. And the other problem that blueberry has sometime, like if you have a lot of bird around your area, they might come and enjoy the fruits as well. So in that case, you might need to do some netting when they start ripening. So mine are still safe, fingers crossed. I don't want them to be attacked by birds, but they're really nice and they already ripen, and we are already enjoying those fruits daily. And there are a lot you can see. I hope you like the video and hope the information is going to helpful. If it does, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos, and enjoy the taste of homegrown fruits is awesome. Until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye, passionate gardener.